So for air balancing, what we're going to do is we're going to use the manual overrides function of the controller. So from the home screen, press the bullseye button. You're going to go down to control variables and hit enter. You're going to go up to advanced, hit enter, log in. You're going to hit the enter button. The cursor will move to the first 0. The password is 9998. You'll see service level. It's going to take you back to the previous screen. Go down one to manual overrides. Down to the first screen, hit the enter button. Cursor will move to this checkbox. Use the up arrow to put an X in it. Hit enter twice and you'll see it's now enabled for 6 hours. So if we go down to the next page, hit enter, change the auto to manual, change the off to on, and then go down, leave occupancy at auto. Supply fan, you're going to want to change that to manual. We'll come back to set the speed in a minute. Exhaust fan, you're going to want to change that to manual as well. Now you can hit the bullseye button, which would bring you back to unit enable. Hit the enter button. It says disabled. Hit the enter button again. The cursor flashes on disabled. Use the up arrow. It'll say enabled, and then at the bottom you're going to see occupied start, opening dampers. Hit the bullseye button again. Go back to control variables, back to advanced, go into manual overrides, down to the supply fan, hit enter. We're going to go down, change it from off to on, and then I would start at 100%. So the easiest way to do that from 0 is hit the down arrow once. It'll show 100%. Hit enter. Now the supply fan is going to start once the end switch makes on the intake air damper. Go down one. Repeat the same process for the exhaust fan. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to set it to 100%. It's going to start and run. For your balancing, if you find that you've got too much airflow, what you're going to do is you're going to come into the respective fan and use this speed percentage to control how much air you're getting. So if you're high on your supply, reduce it down 10, 15, 20, 25, whatever percentage you need. Hit enter, remeasure it. Then when you're done, record what the speed percentage is. And what we'll do is when I commission the unit, we'll set the maximum speed to whatever you tell me the speed needs to be. So unless you're low on, the only reason you would need to touch the VFDs is if you're at 100% and you're low on air. These VFDs are Yaskawa's. So by default right now they are set to run at 42 Hertz for the supply fan and about 45 Hertz for the exhaust. Like I say, if you find that you're running at 100% and that's not enough air, let me know and I can get you the instructions on how to increase the default operating frequency.